My name is C.H. Norma and I'm pursuing my computer science engineering in Vishnu Shra Technology. Now I am going to explain my mini project that is resembles of authentication using Node.js and Express.js and MongoDB in the back as a database and using HTML in the front end. And before explaining my code, I would like to show you how my website really works. This is the dashboard. Now to sign into the credentials which is already signed up, and shows login successful, and here it comes. We can see to dashboard here dash changes, and I can also go to profile here. If I click logout, it will log out, and we can also return to dashboard, and we can also again sign in, etc. Comes MongoDB, in which my data stores, login credential stores. When it comes to code, I have client where index.html is the first open folder. In default, there will be a navbar and the profile, and this store the item, the login details will be stored in local storage and etc. Now when it comes to logout, we have the options like return to dashboard and etc. Profile details, how it really looks. Profile, by going to profile, we can log out from our account, or we can go to dashboard as well. And when it comes to sign in, okay, this is the procedure which will fetch the data from the backend, where we can see the backend as well. And it sign up really resembles the sign in as well. So controllers, this is a controller, sign in controller, sign up controller, sign in controller, and sign out controller, which really uses try and catch functions and can find the emails, can find the user through email here, and we can use other conditions like all. We can find like we have username, email, and password, etc. If not, we will send a message as all fields are required. Also, if password length is less than 6, password length must be greater than. Okay, these are the conditions. Yep. And this is the model, of course. This is the schema which resembles the user, which we will store in the MongoDB. Okay, right? And authentication routes. These are the routes we are using in Express function that is of router. Okay, here comes sign up, sign in, subnet router. Next, database connection. Here it comes to database connection. We have the env file which contains MongoDB URL and port. So I am going to use it by importing it .env and configuring it, and then using it like process.env. And next, where as we know, we use git ignore to push the code without pushing the node module require unrequired files for to push into the git. This is the packet.json and everything. This is server. It is a friend. This is the first part. It's the start point of the backend, and it comes. We are going to use. We can see here we are using Express and the .env and course and path, and we are using which connects here or threads, and we can see it really resembles this one, and it will come here from this one. This is the final. This is my final project, and yeah, database. Thank you.